What is absorption? Absorption means the passage of drug from its site of administration, other than into the systemic circulation by crossing the biological barrier or membrane. Types of absorption. There are some process of drug absorption. Simple diffusion. Diffusion is the process by which molecules moves from areas of high concentration to areas of low concentration. B. Facilitated diffusion. Facilitated diffusion is a process whereby a substance passes through a membrane from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration by the help of a carrier protein, membrane proteins. E. Active transport. Active transport is the movement of a substance across a cell membrane from an area of low concentration to an area of high concentration by utilizing energy, ATP.